you can sign into the admin portal with your Google or Microsoft account, phone number, or your email of choice. If you sign in with your Google or Microsoft account, it's the same login credentials you use for those services. When you enter the admin portal, you get an overview of how many users you have active right now. You also get a brief overview of how many users have downloaded the app. In this case, 85% have downloaded the app. You've got 3 hunt groups, 2 PBX systems and 1 voicemail. Out of your 13 users, 6 of them are fixed users and 6 are mobile users. Here we notify you about unused licenses. It's your choice if you want to activate them or if you'd like to cancel them. This function helps you save money. Under the Users tab, you get an overview of all your users. When you add a user, you can create a user from scratch or use a template. Let me show you how fast you can add a new user from scratch. We can choose what country and department the user will be a part of. Settings like invoice place will now be automatically set for the new user. Choose a license if you want to use an existing or not. And lastly, you choose a number. Choose also what integrations you'd like to add to your new user. Well, let's say she's going to have the CRM integration. And then I press Create. This is real time. It's that fast and easy. Our new user is ready to get started, sign in, and to use our service. It's also fast and easy to edit or remove users. Let's demonstrate this on Alex. We'll always let you accept before making changes, so you can both add and remove users smoothly. In additional services, it's really easy to add different services like recorded calls or the CRM integration. In this case, you can see that this user already has recorded calls and CC Pro. And if I press Save, I've added new features on that member. Thanks to the search function, I can find all my colleagues and even select multiples of them for adjustments. I can filter based on country, departments, or whatever tagging you prefer to use. Under PBX services, you can add new PBX queues. Let's say we have a new customer support group and they want their own number. Press the plus sign and go to Queue Systems. Name your new queue. I'm going to pick a number and create the PBX queue. So this is also live in real time. I'm going to add some numbers. If I press Save Changes, if somebody calls this test group, it's going to call all 3 members. So that's how fast you can create a new queue. If you go to opening hours, you can set opening hours pretty fast. It's a drag and drop. Let's say they close at 9 and they open at 8, recurrent every day. There you go. Now you have opening hours for these 2 days. Removing groups is just as quick. Let's show you the IVR Builder or the Call Flow Builder. This is where many struggle answering the questions. How do we want to be organized? Or what do we want the call flow to look like, etc. This tool is straightforward and easy to use thanks to the graphical view. You can clearly see the call flow from the top, down the tree of this number, what the opening hours are, and so forth. This is how easily you can add multiple button options for your customers when calling this number. From there, I can decide to have another question, to connect to a team, a group, or an individual, or to send it to a voicemail. So this is where you design your entire call flow. And as soon as I hit save, this is live, and I can try it out myself. From here, I can record new sounds or add a sound file to any building blocks in our PBX tree. As you can see, you don't have to be an IT manager to manage a PBX. Under Administration, you can find a smorgasbord of helpful tools. For example, the Invoice tab. Here you can see all the invoice places you have, invoice history, and future invoices. Also, further helpful integrations, such as Power BI. From here, you can easily download reports in different formats and choose to get them emailed to you on a regular basis, just as often as you like. From here, you can access the web app. As you see, you get the same product across all platforms, and when you add integration, it integrates in the entire system. That's it from me. If you liked what you saw, contact us today for a customized demo tailored to your company's needs. Our sales representatives would be happy to assist you.